Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today we will discuss about types of news interviews. The major story on page 1 of a September issue of the Hawkeye in Burlington, Iowa, was about a 3-alarm fire that destroyed a 2-story building that housed an automobile sales agency and a body repair shop. The reporter interviewed several people for information to supplement his observations. Here are the people he interviewed and a summary of their comments. The owner: 15 cars destroyed. Exact loss as yet unknown. Next, a fire department lieutenant: the building could not have been saved when firefighters arrived. They concentrated on saving the adjoining buildings. An eyewitness: I don't know what it was. It just went all at once. I see it a burning and I was scared to death. Next and last, the fire chief: the state fire marshal will investigate the cause of the fire. News interview: although the reporter was not present when firefighters battled the fire during the early morning hours, and interviews with the lieutenant and the eyewitness gave his story an on the scene flavor. Because these interviews help explain the news event, we describe them as news interviews. Another local front page story also relies on a news interview. A hand-on automobile crash on Iowa Route 2 near Farmington took the life of a Van Buren country woman and caused injuries to 4 others. The story is based on an interview with the Iowa Highway Patrol. The interview's ground rules: both parties is an interview have certain assumptions and expectations. Generally, the reporter expects the interview to tell the truth and to stand behind what he or she has told the interviewer. The interview presumes the reporter will write the story fairly and accurately. Both agree, without saying so, that the questions and answers mean what they appear to mean, that is, that there are no hidden meanings. Having said this, we must admit to the exceptions. Sources may conceal, evade, distort, and lie when they believe it is to their advantage. The reporter must be alert to the signs of a departure from truth. The rules that govern the reporter's behavior in the interview can be detailed with some certainty. reporters to conceal, mislead, and at times lie. Few reporters justify these practices. Most agree the reporter should identify himself or herself at the outset of the interview, state the purpose of the interview, make clear to those unaccustomed to being interviewed that the material will be used. Tell the source how much time the interview will take. Keep the interview as short as possible. Ask specific questions that the source is competent to answer. Give the source ample time to reply. Ask the source to clarify complex or vague answers. Read back answers if questioned or when in doubt about the phrasing of crucial material. Insist on answers if the public has a right to know them. Avoid lecturing the source, arguing or debating. Abide by requests for non-attribution, background only, or off the record should the source make this a condition of the interview or of a statement. Thank you.